Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Chandigarh Career Group. Guys, my name is Abhishek and once again I'm in front of you with yet another video and today is the second part of the optics. आज फिर optics के ही कुछ questions जो है that we will discuss. ठीक है जी, so let's start without any delay. इससे पहली वीडियो में which was on I think on Wednesday we had discussed already 20 questions. तो अगले 20 क्वेश्चन अब डिस्कस करेंगे. Here is question number 1. A focal length of a lens is 20 centimeter. What will be its power? हमें जो है उसकी पावर बतानी है. ठीक है, फोकल लेंथ जो है that is 20 centimeter and power is 1 upon focal length but in meter. तो since it is in centimeter we have to change it into meter. इसको हमें मीटर में चेंज करना होगा और जब हम इसको मीटर में चेंज करेंगे सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 100 अपॉन 20 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 5 सेंटीमीटर, सॉरी माय मिस्टेक, 5 डायोप्टर. इट इज 5 डायोप्टर. 5 डायोप्टर जो है इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी 5D. So that was the first question. I hope everybody will get it. Next one is an object 20 centimeter from a spherical mirror give rise to a virtual image 15 centimeter behind the mirror. There is an object and yes, this is placed at 20 centimeter from the mirror. Which mirror it is? Spherical mirror. Means it is not given in the question that whether it is a concave or convex. What we have to find out is its focal length, and eventually the sign of the focal length will automatically tells us the nature of the lens. So let's start with that. Now from the new Cartesian sign formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is 1 upon F. Now since the image is virtual and that too behind mirror, so it will be 1 upon 15 minus object distance always considered as this is equals to 1 upon F. When I took the LCM, this will be 60, 4 minus 3, 1 upon F. So F comes out to be 60 centimeter. F comes out to be 60 centimeter, which means that since it is positive, क्योंकि फोकल लेंथ जो है वो पॉजिटिव है, which means that it is a convex lens. Focal length of convex is positive, that of concave is negative. Let's move to the next one. The part of the spectrum of the electromagnetic radiation which is used to cook. It's a factual question and the correct answer is microwave. We use microwave to cook food. ठीक है जी, चलिए. A thin hollow prism of refractive angle 3 degree filled with water gives a deviation. How much? 1 degree. The refractive index will be. So the formula is del is equals to mu minus 1 upon A. That is what? Del is equals to mu minus 1 upon A. Eventually, the formula is sine A plus del m by 2 divided by sine A by 2. This is the formula. This is the way to calculate the refractive index of the prism. So this is this. Now this sign will get cancelled. Mu is A plus del m upon A. And when I want to calculate the value of mu, so we could calculate it like this. ठीक है जी. So this is the formula. यहां से आप del m की वैल्यू भी निकाल सकते हैं. This will be mu a minus a is equals to del m and del m आपके पास आ जाएगा 1a into 1 minus mu. So all the values are given in the question. So we'll just put it. Prism angle, a thin hollow prism of refractive angle 3 degree gives a deviation of 1. This, so we have del is 1, A is 3, 1 minus mu. तो mu will be 2 by 3. Mu will be 2 by 3 and that 2 is कुछ गड़बड़ कर दी है 1 by 3. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 by 3 minus 1 ठीक तो किया है मैंने. ओके थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ होगी. It's mu minus 1, not 1 minus mu. It's mu minus 1. Mu minus 1. So this is 4 by 3. 1.33. 1.33 is the refractive index. Next is an object 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter in front of convex mirror having a radius of curvature 10. Then the image formed at a distance. First of all, we have to note down like the things which is given to us. Number one is R. The mirror is convex, so it will be positive 10 centimeter, which implies focal length will be 5 centimeter. Next thing is object distance U. U is 15 centimeter. U is 15 centimeter and we have to find out the image distance. The formula is 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is 1 upon F. 1 upon U object distance minus 15. 1 upon V image distance, how much we have to calculate? 1 upon F focal length 5 centimeter. So 1 upon V, 1 upon F plus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon V is 15 and this is 3 plus 1, 4 by 15. So V comes out to be 15 by 4 and since V is positive, so virtual image, see 3.75 in front and 3.75 behind. Yes, so it is when the image is formed behind, it is always virtual. जब इमेज मिरर के पीछे बनेगी, लेंस के पीछे बनेगी तो वो वर्चुअल होगी. जब इमेज मिरर के सामने, सॉरी मिरर के विद रिस्पेक्ट बात करते हैं, जब पीछे बनेगी वर्चुअल होगी, सामने बनेगी तो रियल होगी. रियल होगी तो ये नेगेटिव आएगा, वर्चुअल आएगा तो पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो ये पॉजिटिव है, तो बिहाइंड मिरर. The electromagnetic wave have the shortest wavelength. सबसे छोटी wavelength. It's a factual question and that too is gamma rays. ठीक है, सबसे छोटी wavelength होती है gamma rays की. Gamma rays. Then X-ray, then UV, then visible, then infrared, then micro and at last radio. So that is the spectrum. इस तरीके से होता है हमारे पास spectrum. आगे बढ़ते हैं next. Due to atmospheric refraction effect, the day becomes long. Again, it's a factual question. Atmospheric refraction की वजह से the day becomes 4 minutes longer. 4 मिनट ज्यादा होता है. Next one is a person standing in front of a mirror find his image thinner but with normal height. This implies that if someone is standing in front of a mirror, there is a certain minute changes. What it will be? Number one, his image becomes thinner. ठीक है, width wise थोड़ी thin हो जाती है. And second is normal height. Height normal रहती है. So keep this thing in mind. It is convex and cylindrical. Height normal है और वर्टिकल एक्सेस के साथ, नॉट द हॉरिजॉन्टल वन. हॉरिजॉन्टल होगी तो हाइट कम होगी, विड्थ सही होगी. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? That is heat. Heat ray is not an electromagnetic wave. Next, a real image of an object placed on the principal axis of concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter is formed at a point which is 10 centimeter more distant from the mirror than the object. The magnification, हमें magnification निकालनी है. concave mirror है, concave mirror है तो focal length आपके पास आएगी -12 सेंटीमीटर. फोकल लेंथ आपके पास आएगी -12 सेंटीमीटर, v जो है वो आएगा u प्लस 10 और u तो आपके पास हो गई -u, तो फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा -u प्लस 1 अपॉन -u प्लस 10 -1/12, नेगेटिव से नेगेटिव कैंसिल, कितना आ जाएगा u प्लस 10 प्लस u अपॉन u इंटू u प्लस 10 is equals to 1/12 is equals to 1/12. Then what we will do the cross multiplication. कितना आ जाएगा 2u plus 10 upon u into u plus 10 1/12 1/12. तो ये आपके पास क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 24u प्लस 120 u स्क्वायर प्लस 10u, कितना आ जाएगा u स्क्वायर 10u this minus 14u plus 120 is equals to 0. So what we have to do, it's a quadratic equation, तो चेंज कर देंगे u स्क्वायर 20u plus 6u plus 120 equal to 0. Okay. I'll do it at some other place. Just 1 second. I'm writing it here. U square minus 20u plus 6u plus 120 equal to 0. U minus 20 minus 6, u minus 20 equals to 0. We got two values of u. If u is 6, v is 16, m is 16 by 6, 8 by 3. If u is 20, v is 30, m is 3 by 2, 1.5. 1.5. So 3, 2 just 6, 20. So this is 1.5 is correct. It's a good question. अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, गुड न्यूमेरिकल. ठीक है, हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ गिवन था दैट v is formed 10 centimeter more than u, focal length is 12. We have to find out the magnification, up to what percent image is greater than the object. What is the name given to that part of electromagnetic spectrum which is used for taking photographs of earth under foggy condition from the great height? वो कौन सा पार्ट है किसका इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम का which is used to I should say take photographs of earth under foggy condition, कोहरे के टाइम पे, and that is very obvious, it's infrared. Yes, infrared, they have good penetration power so that they could capture even if there is fog. A concave spherical mirror forms 50 centimeter high real image of an object whose height is 10 centimeter. Radius of mirror is this. Distance from the object to its image. What we have to find out is distance between object and image. So first of all, look, this is image of an object whose height is 10 centimeter and a concave spherical mirror forms a 50 centimeter high. Image height is 50 centimeter. Image height is 50 centimeter. Object height is 10 centimeter. So from there magnification is 5, which is v upon u, and we can write it v is equals to 5u. This is the first thing. This is the first thing. Second point is, now focal length radius of curvature is 120. Mirror is, look at the mirror, it's concave, so negative, so focal length is minus 60 centimeter. We got radius of curvature 120, just take half of that, so it will be 60. Next thing is using mirror formula. 1 upon minus u plus 1 upon minus v is 1 upon 60. It's a real image. Minus 60. So 1 upon u, 5u, 1 upon 60. कितना आ जाएगा? 6 upon 5u. 6 upon 5u is 1 upon 60. And this u comes out to be how much? 60 centimeter. u आपके पास मैंने ठीक किया ना, 1/u प्लस 1/5u, 5 plus 1 6, 6/5u. I'm sorry, it's u will be 60 into 6/5, which is 360, 72 centimeter. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज 72 सेंटीमीटर, है ना। अब इमेज डिस्टेंस 5u है, v कितना आ जाएगा 72 इंटू 5, दिस इज 360, तो फाइनल आंसर इज 288. वेयर इज 288? इट्स 288. फाइनल इज 288. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. A candle flame 3 centimeter high is placed at a distance 3 meter from a wall. How far from the wall must a concave mirror be placed in order that it may form an image flame 9 centimeter high? We are given certain specific data like magnification. It's 9/3, which is 3. So means V is equals to 3u. We have to place concave mirror. है ना, we have to place concave mirror. U is given to us, so 1/3, 1/9, 1/f, 1/3, 1/9, 1/f, so it will be 4/9, है ना, 4/9. And this 2 is, no, this will be negative, ये भी negative. 2/9, it's not 4, it's 2/9. Object distance, yes, 2/9, 1/f, let's just not put any sign over there, minus 2/9. So f is minus 4.5 meter. Negative sign indicates concave. Negative sign indicates concave, and it's in centimeter, so this is 450. 450 centimeter. Focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles. See, focal length जो है वो कब बढ़ती है? When eye muscle relax, when eye muscle जो है this contract, relaxed, and lens become thicker, and contract and lens becomes thinner. This A option factual है. सब जब अगर आप फोकल लेंथ बढ़ाओगे तो आंखों की जो है वो रिलैक्स हो जाती है और थोड़ी सी थिन हो जाती है. ठीक है जी, दे बिकम थिन. चलिए लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. If the frequency of an incident light is this, what will be the wavelength of this light and lies in which region? Frequency given है, wavelength निकालनी है, तो lambda is कैसे निकाल लेंगे? Frequency upon speed. Frequency 6, 10 raised to the power 14, speed 10 raised to the power 8, 2 into 10 raised to the power 6. ठीक है. Nu is equals to C upon lambda. Lambda is equals to C upon nu. 3 into 10 की power 8, 6 into 10 raised to the power 14, 0.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. नैनोमीटर में है, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 500 नैनोमीटर. 500 nanometer. Yes, it comes out to be, and yes, this lies in the visible range. Of course, visible range में लाई करेगा. Visible range की जो I should say wavelength है वो होती है 400 to 7800 नैनोमीटर. 400 से 7800 नैनोमीटर के बीच. 400 से 7800 नैनोमीटर के बीच. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. An object is placed in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature. This image is formed 8 centimeter behind mirror. The object distance is 1/1/u is 1/f. Radius of curvature 20. Focal length will be 15 minus 1/8. So 1/u. This will be 40. So 4 minus 5/40. So u will be minus 40. Negative. Object distance always negative. The sun, it's a good question. The sun subtend an angle of half a degree at the pole of a concave mirror which has a radius of curvature of 15 meter. Then the size of the image of the sun formed by the concave mirror. Concave mirror कितना जो है इमेज बनाएगा, आई मीन किस साइज की इमेज जो है वो बनाएगा. ठीक है जी. तो सबसे पहले थीटा क्या होगा, जितना सन का डायमीटर है. एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. डायमीटर आर्क अपॉन डिस्टेंस रेडियस. हाफ डिग्री है, हाफ डिग्री है, उसको रेडियन में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. पाई बाय 180 इज इक्वल्स टू डायमीटर नहीं पता है, डिस्टेंस कितना है 15 मीटर, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर वही लेंस का हो जाएगा यानी कि 7.5. यहां से जब आप d को कैलकुलेट करोगे तो d की वैल्यू आपके पास कितनी आ जाएगी, दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 6.55 सेंटीमीटर. 6.55 सेंटीमीटर. यस, दिस इज द आंसर. 6.55 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है जी. चलिए, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. एक्सरे, गामा रे एंड माइक्रोवेव ट्रेवलिंग इन वैक्यूम हैव सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी, लेकिन वेलोसिटी डिफरेंट हो सकती है. फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सोर्स. फ्रीक्वेंसी सोर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. नेक्स्ट, इंसिडेंट एंगल ऑफ अ रे ऑफ लाइट इज 30 डिग्री. द एंगल बिटवीन द इंसिडेंट रे एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. इंसिडेंट और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे के बीच में हमेशा जो एंगल है वो कितना होता है. ठीक है जी. दैट कम्स आउट टू बी 90 होता है. तो अब इंसिडेंट एंगल ऑफ अ रे ऑफ लाइट इज 30 डिग्री है, तो कितना हो जाएगा वो 60 हो जाएगा. 90 माइनस 30 60. वैक्यूम में है ना, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. वेवलेंथ तो अलग होगी, वेलोसिटी सेम होगी क्योंकि वैक्यूम है. वैक्यूम में तो एक जैसे कोई इंपैक्ट ही नहीं. इसका सी आएगा भी. एंड द लास्ट वन इज the magnification of an image formed by spherical mirror is negative. It means the image is inverted. Negative का मतलब होता है रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, पॉजिटिव का मतलब वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट. ठीक है. नेगेटिव, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, पॉजिटिव, वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट. नेगेटिव है तो इन्वर्टेड, नेगेटिव है तो इन्वर्टेड. So that's all in this video. I have discussed 40 questions of optics in this as well as the last one. अब कोई एक या दो वीडियो और मुश्किल से मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जिसमें मॉडर्न फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चन हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे और इस तरीके से हमारा फिजिक्स का जो मॉड्यूल है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है जी. तो मिलेंगे अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच. पढ़ाई करते रहें. जय हिंद.